Hello, everyone, and thank you so very much for joining me here on my channel of S.P.A.R.X. My name is Wayne, and if you're here for the first time, please hit that notification bell and the like button. I would appreciate it. I'm a light worker and a poet sent to the world. Today's inspirational, motivational, and original poem is entitled The Wonders of Nature. In our hurried lives, we sometimes miss the important things while traveling down life's winding road. What loving seed have you left on good earth, and what is sprouting from what you sowed? Have you gone out of your way to show concern with sincerity to anyone lately? The extra mile you go in serving others with gladness will be appreciated greatly. The depth of the Spirit cannot be compared or measured to the fathoms of any sea. The awesome power below the smooth glass surface is just waiting to be commanded for any decree. As the ocean supplies its boundless harvest to the endless masses, spiritual blessings can be called upon by using the Father's glasses. The beauty of this earth is in awe and admiration of the Spirit. Awesome power awaits and will answer when you call upon it. An overflowing river of power is there to tap into for happiness. Faith is the connection with the universal mind, and that will bring you bliss. One drop of kindness and joy shall radiate in all directions and affect everything within its vibration. The practice of true empathy will project and reflect joy and love in sincerity, will cause a great spiritual sensation. Do that which is right. Find your passion. Serve God, and your voyage will be serene. Be creative as your purpose is revealed, and your future destinations will be glorious shores yet unseen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please hit the like bell. Please subscribe and leave a comment. I would appreciate it. And until next time, God bless you all. And Namaste.